Hey guys, welcome to Dogwood Springs Outdoors. I'm Jim. Today we've got something I normally wouldn't put on the channel, but I wanted my kids to see it and know how to do it, and I don't have them here with me, so I decided I'd go ahead and do this, and thought it might help some other people too that, had never done this kind of thing before. Hopefully it'll work, but I'm just on a run of bad luck here lately as far as I have the second nail in my tire that I've in the past like 3 months, and I'm not even like in construction or anything, so it's just a mess, and I need new tires anyway. But I'm just going to try to plug it here myself. The last time it happened, it was a weird situation actually at my kid's school, and I was waiting to pick him up from practice, and the nail, it was a slow leak at first, and then the head broke off the nail and ended up being a fast leak. But I was able to change it fast enough to get a plug in it quick enough that I didn't have to air it up right then. I could get to an air tank from there and still drive the truck. So, I mean, it was low, but it wasn't so low that it was going to damage the rim. But anyway, I'll show you what we got here, and then hopefully try to get this done. I did this morning. I noticed it was low when I got in and checked, and happened to find the nail was on the top when I looked. So anyway, it's still in there, so first we'll have to pull it out, and then we're going to try to plug it and we'll air it back up. But hopefully it won't take too long, and it'll work, and we'll get back to work. So first off, we'll talk about what we're doing it with and just go through the process, hopefully fairly quick, and then actually do it, so you know what we're getting into. But this is just my little repair kit that I keep in my glove box. You can get it from any auto parts store pretty much. But so what you do with this serves two purposes. Here, the handle, the reamer, you once you get the nail out, you stick this in the hole and ream it out essentially, and it's got grooves. It's kind of threaded like a screw on there, and it roughs up the edges in there, so this will stick. I mean, and it's like a tar, almost gets in there. And so once you get the hole reamed out, just a few times in and there, then you thread one of those through the eye of this hole, and just kind of put it right in the middle and stick it down in there all the way, and well, not all the way, but most of the way, and then pull it back out. You'll just have a little excess on the top that you trim off, and I just got a little razor blade to kind of smooth that off there. And if you did it right, then that's it. And then just put the air back in there to the amount that you need. But anyway, that's it. So we'll try to get started. I got a couple tools here to get the nail out. A lot of times that's the hardest thing, depending on what's in there, getting a hold of it. That's going to be fairly easy, it looks like. So that's not going to be a big hole. So hopefully that's the only one. The last one that was in there was about that long, so it was just air pouring out, and you couldn't even hear this air. But you will once I finish it out. That's the biggest thing, is it takes some force, especially if the hole's not that big. To get it in there. You know, when you do put this in there, they say you don't twist it. Once you get it down in there, you just push it in and then pull it straight out. Just about 3/4 of the way in there. And then that's it. Like I say, that cuts it. Actually, it doesn't cut it. It just pulls through there, I think. So, now we're just going to go in here and trim it. So again, that was that quick and simple. I mean, it's really an easy something to do. The hardest part of it is just you know, getting that push through the tire itself. It takes some strength and, you know, force to do that usually, but otherwise it is not bad at all. And so if you've never done that, or just thought, you know, you couldn't do something like that, don't be afraid to try it. And it's really handy in a pinch. Like I said, that last time I was able to get mine repaired enough that I didn't even have, you know, I'd have to change the tire. I just got it fixed and was able to air it up from where I was. But another thing that it really saves, like right now, for whatever reason, all our tire places are just slammed. I don't know, everybody's getting new tires or repairs or whatever, but I know one of my coworkers said that they took their car in this morning and you couldn't even park. And I was the same way yesterday with my wife when she was getting new tires. Took her and I couldn't even park. There were so many cars there. But so don't have to wait. Quick, one and done there. But as always, y'all, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. But come back and see us.